Welcome back. We're getting you all the reactions coming in from Tokyo. The women's hockey team winning hearts all over. They may have lost their encounter against Great Britain, which means there's no medal for us. But their spirit and the way they played their hearts out for that match has left a billion Indians praying for them, wishing them all the very best, and sending across our best wishes to a team that's done us so proud at the Olympics. I just want to quickly read out for you the message from Coach Marine to India today. He's spoken to Boria Majumdar there in Tokyo, and he said, "I told the girls, ensure you don't have legs anymore at the end of the game. They haven't won a medal, but they won something bigger. They won 1 billion hearts, inspired millions of girls." Beautiful message there from the coach. Essentially, that's resonated across the country. He's essentially echoed what every single one of us feel about this team right now. Boria Majumdar is joining us live from Tokyo. Boria, heartbreak, yes, but we're all still celebrating these girls. We're celebrating their spirit. We're celebrating how they fought it out with everything they had in that match.
I'm glad you are. I'm glad you are. I spoke to Rani Rampal, Gurjeet Kaur and Saad Marine in the mix zone. When I asked Saad Marine this question, he broke down. You know, an adult man, and me too, when he broke down, I did break down as well. It got very emotional, Akshita. Rani Rampal, Gurjeet Kaur, all the girls. Savita Punia was inconsolable. So was the Indian media. I mean, in my 35 years of watching hockey, this was one of the best matches that I've seen. I think this is the best match that the Indian women's team has played. They were right up there. And when Saad Marine said these words to me, and I was like, yes, coach, you make us proud. It was just one of those moments, you know, you were looking at each other, you know each other, you've supported each other right through. This team is very close to us, very close, all these girls. Rani Rampal was inconsolable. I mean, she just kept saying, sir, humne sab diya tha. हमने अपना सब दे दिया था. That's what you want for these girls. You know, we may have not won the medal, but what we've done today is something extraordinary. Tomorrow, a young girl will say she wants to play hockey. That's the biggest message that you can take from here. And that for me is a huge message. You know, I've tweeted already, and I want to put it across through the India Today platform. If we are rewarding medal winners, which we are, and justifiably so, I think state governments, central government, the Prime Minister's office, whoever it is, Sports Authority of India, for God's sake, reward these girls. These girls have done the country proud. This position, this 4th place finish from 12th in Rio is as good a medal. Each of these girls need to be rewarded. A Rani Rampal should not have to fight for 2 square meals a day. A future Rani Rampal should not have to do that. A Savita Punia should not have to do that. A Gurjeet Kaur should not have to do that, because this is what our girls are capable of. You have seen it in your own eyes. Great Britain was shocked. We lost to them 1-5 in the group stage, and look at what they did. This was a Herculean, humongous, gargantuan effort from each of these girls. And believe me, I as a sportscaster, as an academic who writes sport, I am delighted and proud of this team.
It was a great game of hockey, whatever said and done. And as a country, we have a responsibility now to make these girls feel like they've come home with a medal, to celebrate them simply because of the fight that they've given in this Olympics and created history. Medal or not, they've created history. Boria, I remember reading the messages that you sent across about the scenes that played out after the match. It was heartbreaking, you know, to think about these girls crying, breaking down. You really want to just give them one tight hug and tell them that they've done us so proud, that the entire country, all of us, feel so proud of these girls and their achievements, their accomplishments. What they've done is no small feat. When they started their journey at even this Olympics, you know, everyone would have ruled them out with how they were losing non-stop games. And then from that to return, to come to 4th place, to give Great Britain such a tough fight is no small feat. I just again want to play out the reactions that have come in from these girls' family members. They're all so proud. They're emotional, yes, because it's taken, they've invested so much in these games. They've invested so much in these women, and in this moment, they're emotional, but they say that this is a victory.
मैंने तो सारी मेहनत कर गया, लेकिन घर पर वारसल काटती थी, चमड़ा काटती थी, तार बांधती थी, जूता फैक्ट्री काम करती थी, फॉर्म फैक्ट्री काम करती थी, और जो काम आता था वो कर लेती थी। इसके पापा कुछ नहीं करते थे। लेकिन फिर मेरी बेटियाँ सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ती थी, एक लड़की ले गई उसको ग्राउंड में, तो उसने प्रीतम ने खिलाने लग गई थी। सवेरे 4 बजे उठती थी, 5 बजे ग्राउंड में जाती थी, कभी 9 बजे आती थी, कभी 10 बजे आती थी। शाम को फिर जाती, लेकिन साथ मेरा प्रीतम ने दिया है। जो कुछ देती थी वो ही देती थी, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था।
प्रीतम उनके कोच हैं।
हाँ जी।
3-4 का उनका कोई जीतना नहीं है, लेकिन लड़कियों ने लास्ट लग भी हिम्मत नहीं आ रही है और आगे भी हिम्मत नहीं आती है। वो लड़कियों ने बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया, हम इसको हार में नहीं मान रहे अपनी लड़की की टीम को। ये भी जीत है। रानी की स्वागत की तैयारियां वैसे ही होंगी जैसे पहले थी, अब भी खुशी से स्वागत होगा।
कोई गल नहीं, बेटी खेड रही जे 2 गोलों ते रह गए, फिर केड़ी गल, कोई घबराउण दी लोड़ नहीं, फिर केड़ी गल।
ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਿਖਾਈ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਜੋਸ਼ ਹਜੇ ਵੀ ਬਰਕਰਾਰ ਹੈ।
कोई गल नहीं है, दिल घबराउण दी कोई लोड़ नहीं, बेटी नूं असीं हौसला दिंदे आ, कोई गल नहीं, फिर मौका आ जाएगा। गुरु रामदास मौका लियाउण वाला, फिर गल नहीं कोई।
40 साल बाद मैच है, भी बड़ी बड़ी गल है।
हाँ जी,
40 साल बाद हॉकी का मैच है,
फिर कोई गल ही नहीं, ना दिल घबराउण दी लोड़ ही नहीं है।
फिर तैयारी करके पूरी भेजोगे?
हाँ, फिर पूरी भेजेगा, आपे गुरु रामदास ने तैयारी ओदी भेजी।
आपने क्या कुछ किया नेहा के लिए?
मैंने सब कुछ किया है।
हाँ।
बाहर चल चमड़ा
सब कुछ किया है, मजदूरी में
कार भी बांधे हैं, बाहर चल भी काटा, चमड़ा भी काटा, सोन फैक्ट्री भी जाती थी, जूता फैक्ट्री भी जाती थी और घर का भी काम करती थी। लेकिन ये 9 साल की थी जब ये हॉकी खेलने लगी थी। मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था। प्रीतम ने जो कुछ करा, प्रीतम ने लिखाई पढ़ाई हॉकी खेल सब कुछ उसने ही करा दी।
प्रीतम जी ने किया सब कुछ।
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या आगे का रास्ता इतना ही कठिन रहेगा? उम्मीद क्या है?
हम तो नहीं सोच रहे, हमारी बेटी और खेले बढ़िया और आगे इस पे पहुंच जाए, अगले साल मैच जीत का आए, मेडल लाए।
कोई नहीं, जिन्ने भी उन्होंने गोल किए साड़ा नाम रोशन किया है, चलो कोई गल नहीं, वाहिगुरू जी मेरे नाल अगे तो वधिया वधिया करनगे। उम्मीद तो बहुत सी कि जो जित प्राप्त करके आउणगे अगे, फिर वाहिगुरू दे हाथ जो गुरु रामदास जी करन।
घर में कैसा माहौल है?
हाँ जी ठीक है, खुशी वाला माहौल चल रहा है, कोई गल नहीं।
उसका स्वागत वैसे ही होगा जैसे पहले होना था, कोई बात नहीं, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी बात है 40-41 साल बाद फिर भी इस पोजीशन पे सेमीफाइनल भी खेला, फिर 3rd-4th पोजीशन पे फिर भी 2 गोल किए इसने, ये बहुत बड़ी मान वाली बात है।
कोई गल नहीं, बेटी खेड रही जे 2 गोलों ते रह गए, फिर केड़ी गल, कोई घबराउण दी लोड़ नहीं, फिर केड़ी गल।
ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਿਖਾਈ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਜੋਸ਼ ਹਜੇ ਵੀ ਬਰਕਰਾਰ ਹੈ।
कोई गल नहीं है, दिल घबराउण दी कोई लोड़ नहीं, बेटी नूं असीं हौसला दिंदे आ, कोई गल नहीं, फिर मौका आ जाएगा। गुरु रामदास मौका लियाउण वाला, फिर गल नहीं कोई।
40 साल बाद मैच है, भी बड़ी बड़ी गल है।
हाँ जी,
40 साल बाद हॉकी का मैच है,
फिर कोई गल ही नहीं, ना दिल घबराउण दी लोड़ ही नहीं है।
फिर तैयारी करके पूरी भेजोगे?
हाँ, फिर पूरी भेजेगा, आपे गुरु रामदास ने तैयारी ओदी भेजी।
बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत की और फिर पीछे हो गए एकदम से, तो उसमें क्या कह सकते हैं। ये तो हार जीत तो खेल का एक हिस्सा है, और जैसे कि मतलब कि हिम्मत नहीं हारनी चाहिए अपने देश की बेटियों को, और उनका जज्बा बरकरार रहे। आगे चाहेंगे कि मैं अगली बार मेडल जरूर लेके आए।
सर हॉकी को दोबारा जिंदा किया इस टीम ने, इस लेवल तक फर्स्ट टाइम इंडियन वुमेन टीम हॉकी की पहुंची है, तो हॉकी की जीत हुई है असलियत में, रिजल्ट जो मर्जी मैच का हुआ हो।
बहुत ही बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन उन्होंने किया है। भले हम कांस्य मेडल तो नहीं जीत पाए हैं, लेकिन ये कहीं कांस्य मेडल से कम भी नहीं है कि इस 4थे स्थान पर भी आने के लिए जितना संघर्षपूर्ण इन्होंने खेल किया, तो मैं समझता हूँ इस बेहतर प्रदर्शन के इस खेलने के कारण से मैं आज हरियाणा की सभी जो 9 खिलाड़ी हैं, इनको भले ही ये 4थे स्थान पर आए हैं, लेकिन हरियाणा सरकार की ओर से इनको सबको 50-50 लाख रुपए का और एक इनाम देने की मैं घोषणा करता हूं, और मैं आशा करता हूं कि इस अपने खेल को और बेहतर करते हुए अगली बार के किसी भी प्रदर्शन में और आगे बढ़े और गोल्ड का जो मेडल है वो जीत करके लाए।
So, Boria, you were talking about how governments also need to do their bit right now, recognize these girls, celebrate them. Manohar Lal Khattar has just announced a 50 lakh rupee reward for each of the girls who was part of this contingent, who was a part of team. We need this kind of a precedent to be set. So much of praise has been pouring in for the Odisha government, for the Odisha Chief Minister. We need more leaders, the central government, the state government, to back these girls 100%. We can't restrict this to a one-day celebration.
Absolutely right. What you just said should be put out as exactly these words should resonate all over India. I have been crying out saying these words for the last 25 years. You reward these girls, you will have 10,000 Rani Rampals lining up with the hockey stick tomorrow morning. You will have 10,000 Gurjeet Kaurs lining up. You don't, people will move to playing cricket and IPL and women's IPL, and you will lose talent. This is when you have an opportunity. This tournament has given you that opportunity, Akshita. Make use of that opportunity as a country. For me, this showing has become a massive opportunity for India to use women's hockey as the next big sport after men's as well. Because the fact is, it is as good. The men finished third, the women finished fourth, semi-final placements. I was having a chat with Graham Reed, the men's coach. We were watching the match together. And the men's, the entire boys team was there. They were lining up at the end of the game. It was like a guard of honor. All of them had lined up, each one of us. We were standing together and each one of us were clapping for the girls as they entered their dugout, and then they came to the mix zone. That's the kind of respect. And each one of us walked down the stairs, stood next to the mix zone where we were chatting, and the boys team, all of them, they lined up in front of their bus to almost give a guard of honor to the girls. It was outstanding to see. This is what sport is all about. This is what respect is all about, and that's what these girls have earned today, Akshita. This is no less than any medal, because this has inspired 1 million girls back home.
So true, Boria. These kind of moments, what it does for the sport is it transforms the sport. It transforms how we look at the sport, and hopefully, as I said, this shouldn't just be a one-day celebration. Hopefully, we really work on this. We build on the success that these girls have achieved, that yesterday the men's hockey team also achieved. But our message is very, very clear to the women's hockey team. You've done us proud. You've done India proud. You gave it your all. You've scripted history at the Olympics. I'm slipping into a short break here on India Today. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.